how to fix EA FC25 stuck on loading screen. So if you want to fix EA FC25 stuck on loading screen, then here's the fastest fix. First, you need to update Windows and your graphics driver. Outdated files are one of the biggest causes of this issue. If that doesn't work, then go to your EA anti-cheat folder. And then you can run the installer and select EA FC25 and hit the repair. That might fix most of your splash screen problems. If that still doesn't fix, then you can open up your Steam and clear your cache. You need to verify your game files on Steam. After that, you need to open up your task manager, right click on it, and then go with task manager right here and close any apps interfering, especially anything EA related. But if it's still frozen, then you can click on the game and just completely remove the game, or just go back from your game and then restart your device. You will have the restart option right here. You need to just go with restart. And after restarting, again relaunch your game and it might fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.